Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use user underscore tables data dictionary view to retrieve information about the tables that you own, and all underscore tables data dictionary view to retrieve information about the tables that you can access. So here, as we can see, we are connecting to the database using hr underscore connection, which used hr user to connect to the database. So if we query user underscore tables, we are expecting the tables that owned by hr user. Let us first describe user underscore tables data dictionary view. Run the statement, and here we go. So as we can see, there are many columns in user underscore tables data dictionary view. We can select, for example, the table underscore name, the table space underscore name, and we can also select, for example, the status of the table, and we can also select the read only flag from user underscore tables. Once finished, run the select statement, and here we go. So these are the tables owned by hr user. So we have, as we can see, 12 tables owned by hr user. So this is the table space where the table exists, and this is the status of the table, and this is the read only flag if it is read only or read write. If read underscore only flag is no, that means the table is in read write mode. In the second practice, query the all underscore tables data dictionary view to see information about the tables that you can access. So the difference between user underscore tables and all underscore tables data dictionary view: user underscore tables retrieve the information about the tables that you own. So if you are connecting to the database as hr user, user underscore tables retrieve all tables owned by hr user. If you are connecting to the database as system user and you query user underscore tables, you will get all information about the tables owned by the system user. In all underscore tables, it retrieves all information about the tables that you can access. That means the tables you own plus the tables owned by other user, and you have permission to access them. So if you describe all underscore tables data dictionary view and click run here, so as we can see here, we have a column called owner. If you select from all underscore tables, select owner, table underscore name, table space underscore name, status, read only flag from all underscore tables, and click run. So as we can see, it returns all tables that you can access. That means the table you owned plus the tables owned by other user, and you have permissions to access them. We can order the output by the owner, order by owner, and run the statement again. So as we can see, these are the tables that you owned by hr user. Other tables like these tables owned by ctx sys user, it listed here because you have permissions to access them. If you go down, for example, so these tables also owned by md sys user, it's listed here because you have permissions to access them. So as we can see, user underscore tables, it retains only the tables that you own. Depends on the connection you made. If you are connecting to the database as hr user and you query user underscore tables, you will get all tables owned by hr user. If you are connecting to the system user and you query user underscore tables, you will get all tables owned by system user. But all underscore tables data dictionary view can be used to retrieve information about all tables that you can access. That means the tables that you own plus the tables that owned by other users, and you have permissions to access them. So in this practice, we learn how to query user underscore tables data dictionary view to see information about the tables that you owned, and all underscore tables data dictionary view to see information about the tables that you can access. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.